2 winters ago, I sat with my younger brother Barry as the doctors told us he had non-small cell lung cancer, stage 4. A few days before that, he had gone to the hospital because he couldn't catch his breath and figured that he probably had bronchitis. Now we're being told that his best prognosis was to live 5 more years, and that most didn't make it past 1. There was no mention of survival. As you can imagine, and too many know, these are very sobering words to hear. Suddenly your whole perspective changes. Moments become more precious, and issues that seem so worrisome become non-issues. My brother fought his battle without a single word of complaint. He used what was to be the last 8 months of his life, not just to fight his own cancer, but to start a fund that he would donate to the children's cancer wing of the local hospital. His strength and selflessness over his final days had a huge impact on me and on those that knew him. It changed my life. I'd always been a motivated person, but I was witnessing just how valuable each day is, and that what we leave behind, our legacy, can be most powerful. Barry gave me an incredible gift, a gift of heightened awareness. When someone that you love is about to be taken from you, urgency gets thrown into the mix. It becomes very clear that each day is to be savored, not wasted in complacency and excuses. While it's true that we can't buy time, we can decide to spend it wisely. Regardless of where we stand on our own timeline, we can strive to design our tomorrow, to make a plan, and to hold ourselves accountable for our future.